I live in the Midwest, and what I like about it is the change of seasons. And one of my favorite changes is when we go into the fall season. The colors are beautiful, and that's when you can sit at home on those cool nights, light a fire, and get by the fireplace. And I've got some great ideas to make your life easier when it comes to decorating your mantle. We're going to start with a couple clusters. I have one built right here. I'm going to share with you how you do that. We're going to take this beautiful sunflower swag. It's got a lot of berries, pumpkins, different fall product in here, and of course the beautiful sunflowers. We're going to take this mini sunflower bush and we're just going to lay it down right on top of it. Right there is fine. Then we're going to take a berry bundle and we're going to put that on there as well, but I'm going to take it and bend it the other direction. I'm going to take this one leaf spray, so we're only really using 4 elements. We're going to cut this up very quickly, get rid of extra stem. We're going to take this and cluster it together, and we're going to go in and bring it the opposite direction. We've got our brown berries, our sunflowers, our mini sunflowers, and we've got a couple stems in there that you can cut off now or wait till you tie. It's almost easier if you wait till you get done. One simple cable tie. Make sure you pull it nice and tight in there. Cut off the excess with your wire cutters. And now all you have to do is a little shaping. But let's get rid of that extra stem. We're going to flip this over. See that stem coming through there? And there's one more. Find it here. There we go. Let's put it back. Now to shape it, we're just going to start bringing the product back and up. It's one thing that's nice about all of this product. Most of it is wired, so you can bend and shape and place it, move it around to where you need it. And there you go. We've got our fall spray that now we're going to take it to our mantle and decorate it for the season.